Hello student, good morning all of you. Yesterday I am explaining N-methyl group in alkaloid and heterocyclic ring, determination of heterocyclic ring in alkaloid. Then today I am discussing with you nicotine. Another name of nicotine is the N-methyl, means at nitrogen atom methyl group is present. Therefore N-methyl 2-beta pyridyl pyrrolidine. Nicotine is the principal alkaloid of tobacco, found as a citric or malic acid salt. The dry leaves of tobacco contain 0.6 to 8% of nicotine depending on the variety. When freshly prepared, it is colorless oily liquid. Boiling point is the 590 Kelvin. On exposure to air, it turns brown due to the oxidation. It has tobacco-like odor and burning alkaline taste. It is soluble in water and organic solvent. In free form, it is a low rotatory, degree of rotation minus 168 degree, but its salts are the dextrorotatory. Nicotine is the extremely poisonous. A dose of 50 milligram is enough to kill a man within few seconds. It paralyzes nervous system including respiratory control centers. Then further point we study here constitution of nicotine. One is the analytical evidence and second one is the synthesis of nicotine. In case of analytical evidence, first point is the molecular formula. Here molecular formula of nicotine is found to be C10H14N2. How many carbon atom? 10 carbon atom, 14 hydrogen atom and 2 nitrogen atom. Therefore molecular formula of nicotine is the C10H14N2. Then second point, nature of nitrogen atom. There are the three methods for determination of nature of nitrogen in nicotine. First is the with HCl, it forms crystalline salt. Name of this salt is the nicotine dihydrochloride. And formation of a nicotine dihydrochloride indicate that it is a diacid base. I am showing the reaction. Nicotine C10H14N2 plus twice HCl, formation of C10H14NCl 2 times, that is nicotine salt. Then second reaction, here it cannot be acylated or benzoylated, but with methyl iodide it gives a dimethiiodide derivative. So nicotine is a ditertiary base. I am showing the reaction. Nicotine C10H14N2 plus 2 molecules of methyl iodide CH3I, formation of C10H14N plus CH3I minus 2 times dimethiiodide derivative. And third reaction is the oxidation of nicotine with chromic acid or nitric acid HNO3 gives a known compound called as a nicotinic acid. Here third point, oxidation of nicotine with chromic acid or nitric acid, it gives a known compound called as the nicotinic acid, or nicotinic acid is also called as the pyridine 3 carboxylic acid. I am showing the reaction here. Nicotine in presence of oxidizing agent K2Cr2O7 or H2SO4, it gives nicotinic acid. Here pyridine ring containing at position number 3 COH group. Therefore another name of nicotinic acid is the pyridine 3 carboxylic acid. Here I am showing pyridine ring attached to C5H10N. This reaction shows that nicotine has a pyridine nucleus. This reaction indicates that nicotine has a pyridine nucleus having the molecular formula C5H4n with a side chain C5H10n attached at the position number 3. Therefore, I am showing the structure pyridine ring, and at position number 3, C5H10n ring may be present. This is the second point in analytical evidence. Then third point is the nature of side chain. In the nature of side chain, there are 3 points again. First is the nicotine for complete reduction requires 3 molecules of hydrogen. Hence, the side chain must be saturated and cyclic. Means side chain containing 3 double bond. 1 double bond require 1 hydrogen molecule. Therefore, for reduction of nicotine required 3 molecules of hydrogen. Hence, the side chain must be containing 3 double bond and cyclic in nature. Then second point number B, when nicotine zinc chloride salt, I am showing further nicotine zinc chloride salt is distilled, a mixture of pyridine, pyrrole and methylamine is formed. Therefore, I am showing the reaction here. C10H14N2 ZnCl2 twice HCl H2O. This is the zinc salt of nicotine. React with NaOH plus CaO. It formation of pyridine. That benzene ring containing nitrogen as a heteroatom is called as the pyridine. And second molecule is the pyrrole. Here 5-member ring containing nitrogen as a heteroatom and 1 molecule of a methyl amine. This suggests that the side chain can be a pyrrole derivative. Then considering these facts, it is reasonable to believe that the side chain is N-methylpyrrolidine. Therefore, 2 possible structures of nicotine can be showing here. Side chain, nicotine having side chain N-methylpyrrolidine. You remember that N-methylpyrrolidine is the side chain present in the structure of a nicotine. I am showing the structure here first. Pyridine ring attached to N-methylpyrrolidine at position number 3, 2. This is the first structure, that is pyridine ring, third carbon atom, and N-methylpyrrolidine, second carbon atom attached to formation of a structure first. And in structure second, here pyridine ring at position number 3 attached to N-methylpyrrolidine ring at position number 3 dash. This link present in structure number second, and in structure number first 3 2 dash linking is present. Therefore, structure first according to the Pienaar in 1893 suggests the first is the structure for nicotine. This is the analytical evidence of nicotine. Then further we study the structure after synthesis of a nicotine. Thank you for listening.